Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be kind of fun, and the reason why is because I'm going to share with you guys 3 hacks that I have been doing. Let me see. One of them I recently started doing it a few months ago because my mother-in-law was the one who shared it with me, and the other 2 I've been doing for a few years, and I have been loving it. I've shared a few of these on my Instagram stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that because I share a lot more content over there. Just a little side note. But anyways, so yes, they are hacks. 2 have to do with the kitchen, and 1 has to do with, well, 2 with the kitchen. 1 is cleaning, and the other one is bathroom cleaning. So yeah, so if you are interested, keep on watching. All right, so the first hack that I'm going to share with you guys has to do with fruits, specifically strawberries. We love eating strawberries here at the house. I love doing chia seed puddings and putting some cut up or sliced strawberries on top. My kids love eating berries, especially strawberries. It is something we buy weekly here at the house. But something that I have noticed the last, that I've been kind of dealing with for the last couple of years is having my kids and me eat them quickly, because by the time the week is kind of finishing, they're like starting to go bad and moldy and yucky, and I'm like, so I'm like, yeah, hurry up and eat them really quick before they spoil. Well, a few months ago, I went over to my mother-in-law's house because she was watching my kids, and she was like, hey, I have a little hack for you. And I was like, yeah. She goes, when it comes to your strawberries, I saw this on the news or somewhere in a TV show, I don't know where, on TV. And she was like, get a jar, right, a glass jar, and as soon as you buy your strawberries, put them in there. Do not slice them, do not wash them. Put them on there and shut it and close it. The key thing is to have a glass container that can close, like a mason jar. She goes, put them in there and it will make your strawberries last longer. And I was like, okay. She took out her container full of strawberries, and she was like, hey, do you see these strawberries over here? They've been in my fridge for like 2 weeks and they haven't gone bad. And I was like, what? I was like, no way. So what did I do? Obviously, I drove myself to IKEA and I bought myself a glass jar and I tried it. And sure enough, it totally worked. So the key thing here is to get the strawberries that you just bought at the grocery store. Do not wash them. Put them inside this jar, and wash them only right before you're about to use them. So before I have breakfast and I sprinkle them over my chia seed pudding, I will take a few, I will wash them, and then I will cut them up and I will put them into my chia seed pudding. And I'm telling you, it works. And the key, the science, I guess, behind it is that you're trying to avoid any humidity, or trying to protect them or cover them from any humidity. And once you have them open, the container that you first get them in when you buy them at the grocery store, they're open, like there's holes everywhere, and humidity can get to them. And obviously, if you wash them, you are adding humidity to the strawberries. So if you have them in this glass container and you close them up and keep them there, you are closing the humidity that potentially could be going into the jar, and hence extending their life. So over here, I'm going to show you a video on how it is that I do them, and I cut them up and I put them in my jar. So you see, super easy. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for the last couple of months. I've shared it with my sisters and now sharing it with you guys. So try them out and see how it works for you. All right, the second thing is actually a hack for cleaning your microwave. I shared this with you guys on my Insta stories and my Instagram maybe like 2 years ago. But I swear by this, and I have been using it now for years. So all right, so here we go. The microwave is something that I use almost every day. I use it. I probably should not be using it that often, but I do, to reheat food, to melt butter when I'm baking, etc. And a lot of times, well, weekly, it gets super yucky and things get stuck in there. Maybe cheese, maybe pasta sauce, maybe just the normal everyday use where things get stuck on there and like you really can't get them out. You kind of have to like scrub in there, get them out. So something that I have been doing, I don't know where I got this from, maybe a magazine. I get a little microwave proof glass container, and I put vinegar and I put water. I really don't measure it, I gotta be honest with you. Before I used to just use water. Now I've been doing maybe like half vinegar, half water. And I put it in the microwave and I turn on the microwave for 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes. After you're done with this 5 minutes, you be very careful to get the container out. And then this way you can spray maybe a multi-cleaning spray or whatever with a paper towel. And all of this stuff, food that has been stuck on the microwave, is going to easily come off. And the cleaning of the microwave is going to be super duper easy. Now, the reason why this works is because, you know, when you warm up liquids, right? When you're like boiling something, the liquid evaporates and creates humidity. And that is exactly what happens with the water and the vinegar. Once you've had it in there for 5 minutes, a lot of it really evaporates and dissolves this hard stuck on food inside your microwave. And for that reason, it makes it super easy when you wipe it off. So now let me show you a video of how I clean my microwave. See, super easy. Like when I did it this one time, the microwave really wasn't that dirty, but you get the gist. And I highly recommend you guys checking it out because I have been doing it for years and it has worked for me. All right, so this last hack has to do with cleaning bathrooms. I like but don't like cleaning my bathrooms. I don't like it because obviously it's disgusting, it's dirty, it's bathroom, but I do like it because I love having a clean bathroom. One of my pet peeves is using a bathroom that is dirty, specifically the shower. So this is a hack that I found on Pinterest. It is not new. I'm sure a lot of you have used it, but for those of you who haven't, that's why I'm sharing it with you. And the hack is the following. You're going to take 1 cup of vinegar, okay, and you are going to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes again, and make sure that it's nice and boiling and hot. And when that's done, you're gonna take it out and you're going to mix it into either a spray bottle or a pour bottle, like a pitcher or something. You're gonna mix it with 1 cup of the Blue Dawn dish soap. That's it, those 2 things. So warm up the vinegar, all right, when it's done, you combine it with the 1 cup of the Blue Dawn dish soap, 1-to-1 ratio, all right? Mix it together, and then you're gonna go ahead and pour it all over your tub. Make sure that you cover it completely. If you have to double this recipe, go ahead and double it. I usually double it when I do just the 1 tub or just 1 tub. You're gonna go ahead and pour it all over your tub, all right? You're going to wait 1 hour. Okay, so when you are done with that 1 hour, you're gonna get the bristle brush and go ahead and scrub all over and every inch of that tub. When you're done, you're gonna get a bucket of water, or maybe just turn on your shower and let the water rinse away all that soap and vinegar. Let me tell you, you're going to see your tub shining. The first time I did this, I was like, all right, let me do it. I don't know if it's gonna work. Vinegar, blue soap, what is this? But let me tell you, I don't know if it's a combination. I don't know if it's the heat. I don't know what to tell you, but that gets all the soap scum, all the dirty, the yucky stuff, like the calcium and all that in your tub gone, leaving your tub shiny, squeaky clean. I have used this for several years and I really do live by it. That is how I've cleaned my tubs for years now. I think last year I had no vinegar. I couldn't find vinegar. I couldn't find one of those anywhere. It was through the pandemic, and I bought a tub cleaner, and let me tell you, that tub cleaner, like, the smell was so strong. I was like, I cannot be in here. This is way too strong. And it really didn't even clean anywhere near as much as this recipe did. So yeah, so I highly recommend you checking it out if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have tried these hacks and any other hacks that you guys have. Just put them in the comments below because I would love to try them out. Alright guys, so that's about it. Stay tuned for a few messages for myself. I love you all and I will see you on my next video. Bye! Hello guys, first of all I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. I take the time and effort to edit them, to film them, so it means the world to me that you guys stop by to check them out, so thank you. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one is I accept prayer requests. So if you are going through something or you just are in need of prayer, go ahead and contact me. You can either leave a message below or you can email me. I am on Facebook, but I don't check my Facebook Messenger that often, but I do my Instagram. So you can either contact me through Instagram, email, or comment below, and I will pray for you. Me and my family will be praying for you. Number two, if you are on social media, especially on Instagram, you should totally be following me. And the reason why is because I post a lot more content over there than I do actually here on YouTube. I share with you guys pictures of my family, especially in the Insta stories. I share recipes, everyday life, and just a lot more content. So if you are on there and also on Facebook, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and do so now and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. We have so much fun here and we would love to have you join our family. I post Mondays, or I do my best to post Bible studies or Bible content Mondays and Wednesdays, and then Fridays is for my girls out there. I do makeup reviews, hauls, I do so many fun things, recipes, videos with my kids. So we have a lot of fun and we would love to have you on board. Alright guys, so that's about it. Short and sweet. Thank you so much for tuning in as well. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.